In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your Hostinger account step by step. Whether you're closing a project, switching hosting providers, or simply no longer need your account, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can permanently remove your Hostinger account safely and correctly. Keep in mind that deleting your account will permanently erase all associated data, including websites, files, emails, and subscriptions, so make sure you've backed up anything important before proceeding. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy-to-follow software tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first step is to log in to your Hostinger dashboard. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your registered email address and password, then complete any verification steps if prompted. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your main Hostinger dashboard, also known as hPanel. This is where you manage your websites, hosting plans, domains, billing, and account settings. Before moving forward, I strongly recommend double-checking that you've downloaded any important files or backups. If you have active hosting plans or domains, make sure you understand that deleting your account may cancel active services and remove access permanently. Once your account is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so take a moment to confirm you're ready to proceed. Now, from the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Click on your profile icon to open the account menu. From the drop-down options, select Account Information. This section contains your personal details, login information, and account management settings. Once you're inside the account information page, scroll down carefully. Keep scrolling until you find the section labeled Delete Account. It may be located near the bottom of the page, so take your time to locate it. When you see the Delete Account option, click on the Delete button next to it. Hostinger will now ask you to confirm your decision. For security reasons, you'll likely need to re-enter your account password to verify your identity. Type in your password carefully and follow any additional confirmation prompts that appear on the screen. In some cases, Hostinger may send a verification email to confirm the deletion request, so check your inbox if prompted. After confirming, follow the final on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once confirmed, your Hostinger account and all associated data will be permanently removed from their system. This includes your websites, hosting files, databases, emails, and any saved account information. You will no longer be able to log in using that account. If you change your mind after submitting the request, you may need to contact Hostinger support immediately, but there is no guarantee the account can be restored. That's why it's extremely important to be completely certain before finalizing the deletion. And that's it. That's exactly how to delete your Hostinger account step by step. As a quick recap, log into your Hostinger dashboard, click your profile icon, go to Account Information, scroll down to Delete Account, click Delete, confirm with your password, and follow the prompts to permanently remove your account. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.